You ready to go? You ready to go? You ready to go on a trip? Huh? On a high trip? No, I'm just kidding. Hell yeah, I'm ready to go. Shit, I'm ready to get the hell out of here for the keys. That's what we do on our day off. Sometimes we come out and feed the birds. You know, where I live, it's so cold, you can't really do nothing. So I just come out here and feed the birds. They don't want to come now. Burn up the window. They'll come burn up the window. There you go. There we go. I see that window. There's the dad. Look at that. Oh, I might get a couple of these, couple of that for the children. That's right. Shit. I'm out of here, partner. This other one be like, well. Going on, my little plant. My plant is growing. It's alive. Look at that. Nice and healthy. Except it's a little tall, but you know. Oh well. I leave this light on right here so it can give it some sunshine, some light. You know, it's like the sun. Because it's too cold outside still to put it outside for some sun. Anyways, it's growing and getting big. Talk to you later.